Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm trying to make a copycat of Trader Joe's ube pancake mix. I know that this is a seasonal item and this pancake mix has gone viral on the internet. So I'm trying to figure out a copycat recipe. So once this pancake mix is no longer available, we still have our ube pancake to eat. What is ube? Ube is actually a purple yam. So it kind of looks like a sweet potato. It's in a potato family, as you can see. Once you peel the skin off, it should be purple inside. So there's regular yam, which inside is kind of white. This one's a purple one. You can get it in all Asian grocery store sells them. I got this at 99 Ranch, and I'll show you how to make the pancake.
Here are all the ingredients you will need to make the purple yam pancake. Time to take a screenshot! The first step is to steam the purple yam. Here I use the steam basket. You can also cook in the pot and cover completely with water and bring water to a boil and cook for 30 minutes. You can check if it's fully cooked by using a chopsticks to poke through it. Then we start to peel off the skin carefully because it's really hot, but the skin should come off easily. Here we also cut off the excess parts from the two heads. Then we use a fork to mash the purple yam into a puree. We're starting by adding the water, 1 egg, the milk of your choice, and the sugar. Then we add the purple yam that we mashed earlier, and then use the fork to mix all the wet ingredient together. Once it's done, you will see this beautiful purple color. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients together. We add the salt, the all-purpose flour, and the baking powder. Again, we use a fork to make sure everything is well combined so there's no dry ingredients still left in the bowl. It might look dry in the beginning, but if you keep mixing, the mixture will start to turn into a pancake mix consistency. Here it is! I really like this purple color. To cook the pancake, add a little bit cooking oil in a pan. Then we add the mixture. As you can see here, the mixture kind of turned blue. Don't worry too much here. This is because the anthocyanin, which is the pigment that make the purple yam purple, reacted with the alkaline in the baking powder, which changes the color of the mixture. This is completely normal because we don't use artificial coloring in this recipe. You can see here that Trader Joe's pancake mix ingredient list have vegetable juice in order to keep the pancake color purple. We'll use low to medium heat and cook each side for 3 minutes with the lid on. Once you flip it, you'll see that the pancake color kind of turned back to purple. Again, we'll cook for another 3 minutes on this side. Here we go, our pancake is done. Look at the color, it's pretty purple, right? We added some maple syrup and some chopped strawberries for some extra flavor. Ta-da! It's time for the taste test. As you can see, when we cut it open, inside is still very fluffy. You can actually taste bits of actual ube chunks, which makes this recipe amazing. This is a super simple recipe, so don't forget to give it a try. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.